we keep with the safari. As they come out into the show area, you'll notice how boldly colored they are. Stand out against the relatively drab safari background. In the wild, they would actually blend in quite well with red and yellow fruit, the green leaves, and the blue shadows of the rainforest. Being so bright and color, it does only make sense that they too can see in color. However, not everyone always believes that. Today, we would like the help of one more brave volunteer to help show off how well they can see in color. Let's see.
Right here.
See the line going up or down? You look pretty excited. You want to come down here and look at setup?
They want bright colors.
So what we have set up here is a table with four different colored rings, red, blue, green, and yellow. And Dr. started the cosmic train to pull the only 2 yellow rings out of the pile. Now we have our volunteer down here to help us mix up those rings, just to show you all we're not simply putting those yellow ones in the same spot each time. And so that Doc has a new puzzle that she has to solve at each and every show. So let's see what our volunteer is going to come up with this one. We want to try and hide those yellow ones really well on Doc. She hasn't been fooled yet, but maybe we can trick her this time. And we have done a variety of things from mixing those rings all in one stack, just spreading them out all over the table. So we'll see what we're going to do. Looks like maybe 2 stacks, a couple of decoys. Those yellow ones are pretty hidden. That looks pretty good. Another red one, another blue one. That looks really good. Let's see if we can fool Doc this time. You ready, Doc?
She's doing it.
Off she goes. She's going to walk on over to those single rings, but she's got to find the yellow one. Moves the green one, and she finds her first yellow ring. But then you find the other one. There's a lot of rings there, and only one more yellow one. Oh, she's stuck with the green one, Doc. There we go. She's found her second yellow ring. She says, "You can't fool me. I can see in color." So let's have a big round of applause for Doc as well as our great volunteer.